Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So when you turn off the screen, you can spot the very thin foil on the screen, especially right here, because here we got some kind of the cut in the foil, because here we got the camera, and of course it comes from the edge to the edge. It sticks really good, it feels really good, and you know, it protects us from the scratches. As you can see, here we got a lot of the scratches on the screen, right? So without this simple foil, we will get our screen damaged for a very scratch that you can find on the foil. And yeah, the Huawei P40 Lite from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.